Okay, this video is about using articles. Now, articles cause a lot of problems in OET writing, and hopefully this little video is going to clarify some things. You can always come back and look at it again. We've got two kinds of articles, indefinite and definite. Why they are called that, I don't know. All singular nouns in a sentence need an article. Plural nouns do not need articles. They don't need an article. So we've got an and a. They're both indefinite, and the is the definite article. We use an before words that start with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U. An apple, an orange. There's the A, there's the O. An ice cream, an umbrella. Right. If the word starts with a consonant, all the other letters, then use a banana, a walk, a juicy orange. Notice how J is the next letter. There's the O for orange. We don't talk about an juicy orange. The next letter following the article happens to be a consonant, so it's a juicy orange. Okay, this is where it gets tricky. In these medical letters, medical conditions, medical diseases, they do not attract articles. Here's some examples. She had cancer at the age of 35. Not she had a cancer. She had cancer at the age of 35. Here's another one. Her baby has already had measles. Both of those are diseases, of course. Now we get up to a condition. He has cataracts in both eyes. You don't say he has the cataracts in both eyes, just he has cataracts in both eyes. Both eyes. Eyes, plural noun. Now you would not say, actually you would in the right eye, you could say that. You would have to say that. He has a cataract, singular, in the right eye. Singular being very specific, so you need the definite article. When you're getting very specific about things, you would use the, right? I would like a banana. Please pass me the one that is got a red tip on the end. Okay. Uncountable nouns don't use articles. Right? So we've got medical conditions and diseases, and now uncountable nouns. What's an uncountable noun? Well, it's a noun, it's a thing that can't really be quantified. The patient is having therapy for her chronic back problem. Mr. Jones is having much pain. He's having a lot of pain. Because a lot, it's one lot of pain. That's a very bad example. Mr. Jones has pain on in his right side. Tommy is taking medication for his asthma. What's the medication? A number of things. It could be an inhaler. It might be one of those spinhaler things where you suck in powder. It could be tablets, right? There's a number of things. Medication. She is having treatment for her bunion. What kind of treatment is she having? Well, it might involve an operation. You don't know. Wearing some kind of protective thing inside her shoe to try and keep her foot straight. All right, so what does not attract articles is medical conditions, diseases, uncountable nouns, and, of course, plural nouns. We only use articles when the noun is singular. But medical procedures do need an article. Right, he is having an angiogram later on today. Mrs. Jones is coming in for an x-ray tomorrow. You might say the x-ray. Mrs. Jones is scheduled to take place tomorrow will be at 8:30 a.m. The X-ray, because you know exactly which one you're talking about. It's the one related to Mrs. Jones. Well, go over it again. All singular nouns need an article. Plural nouns do not. Now, there's two kinds of indefinite articles. An and a. You use an before letters, words starting with a vowel, and a, words starting with a consonant. The is the definite article. You would use that when you definitely know who or what you're talking about. Right. Medical conditions, medical diseases, uncountable nouns, plural nouns do not need articles. But medical procedures do. Right. So we're going to have a little quiz about this at the end of this writing. All right. What I haven't gone over in this video is about using the. So the definite article, the, is required when you know precisely who or what you are referring to in your letter. The hospital pharmacist filled his prescription yesterday. We know which pharmacist it is. It's the one who works in the hospital. Otherwise, you would say a pharmacist filled his prescription yesterday. You don't know which one, but you assume it was a qualified pharmacist, right? When you say the pharmacist, you know exactly it's the one that works just in the same block a few doors down from the hospital, and it could also be the hospital pharmacist, the one that works actually inside the hospital building, in which case you would use the. So we use the definite article when we know exactly who or what we're talking about. I hope that helps you with using articles, and you can always come back and have a look at this video. Okay.